Hi there, it's Liz Hoppy with a few tips and tricks for teachers. In this video, I want to show you how to view student slides when you have all students in one deck. So I know that there are probably a lot of teachers who have used Google Slides with their students, but haven't made that jump to multiple students in one slide deck. And part of the reason for that is the concern that they have access to everything. They might do something crazy, and that's understandable. And that's probably going to happen the first few times. You just have to kind of work through it and get students used to the routine because it's so powerful to have them collaborating. So I want to show you an easy way that you can monitor all your students in the same slide deck. This is an example of a thin slide lesson, and the first slide is linked to all the next slides, so a student can click on their number and go to their slide. Now, when you're in this film strip view, which is the view we're used to, you can see that little circle and you can kind of see that there's one person in each slide, hopefully, but there's an easier way because the truth is when you're monitoring students, you don't need to see this slide. Here's another way you can do it. Next to that film strip icon, there's this icon that's called Grid View. And if you click there, it changes to this view. And now you can see all the slides much more easily. If you want to see fewer or more, you've got your minus and your plus. But look at what I can see. First of all, I can see everyone's slide more easily. I can see the button. And if you hover over the slide, that little circle is going to pop up so you can see. This makes it easy to see, hey, there's no one in slide 3. Who's supposed to be in slide 3 and where are they instead? And in the classroom, you can maybe walk over and see what's going on, or you can see I've got one person in each slide, they're all working. Or maybe you notice in this view, how come there's nothing going on in this slide? Everybody else is getting work done and this person isn't. Maybe they have a question that they've been hesitant to ask and I need to go check in with them. So this grid view makes it way easier for you from your teacher station to monitor everyone. I wouldn't necessarily project this on the board for everyone, but this is a view for you. So there's an easy way for you to monitor how your students are working collaboratively in Google Slides during the work time. I hope that helps. And I want you to remember, we know the things we use. Sometimes I hear people saying, oh, I'm not techie, I don't know how to do the things. Well, if you start doing the things in practice, you'll know them more. So I encourage you to be willing to try something new and see how it goes, and then repeat it so that you get better at it and your students get better too.